standing here with this absolutely pristine 1950s BMW R51. The craftsmanship on this model, especially the shaft drive here, is...
Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the legendary BMW R51, a classic motorcycle that helped shape BMW's reputation for quality, comfort, and reliability. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vintage icon so special. Classic design. The BMW R51 features timeless styling with a strong steel frame, elegant curves, and premium craftsmanship. Its vintage appearance continues to attract collectors and motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. Engine and performance. Powered by a 494 cubic centimeters two-cylinder boxer engine, the BMW R51 delivers smooth and dependable performance. The shaft drive system provides low maintenance and a comfortable riding experience, making it an impressive motorcycle for its era. Comfort and handling. The R51 offers a relaxed riding position, stable handling, and excellent balance thanks to its low center of gravity. It was designed for long-distance touring and remains enjoyable to ride even today. Legacy. The BMW R51 played an important role in motorcycle history by introducing engineering innovations and outstanding durability. Today, it is a prized classic that represents BMW's rich heritage. Conclusion. The BMW R51 is more than just a vintage motorcycle, it's a symbol of timeless engineering and classic style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to King Bike for more amazing motorcycle content.